Hey, what's up guys? My name is Gene, I'm JAXTWIN, and on this channel we talk tech. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 of the best places and the worst places that you can buy iPhones. Alright, check it out. But if you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to stay up to date when I drop new videos every week. So checking my comments earlier today, and I noticed that a lot of you guys have been asking, where do I buy my iPhones from, or where did I buy the iPhone XS from? It got me thinking about 3 of the best places that I personally have bought iPhones from, and 3 of the worst places that I bought electronics from. So the first good place that you should consider when buying an iPhone is through your retailer. So that's an area where a lot of people are going to go and shop for their phones. They're gonna go to AT&T, they're gonna go to T-Mobile, Sprint. That's usually the less riskiest option, and probably the option that many people will go. The second option is through your online retailer like Amazon or eBay. I generally like to check online first. It's usually a good thing to go out and check their clearance section and some of their markdown areas, because usually they have products that are marked down, especially with phones, they'll have it there. Now, the number one place that you should consider buying an Apple device from is Apple themselves. I can't stress this enough. Apple is the best. It's crazy right here. Apple is the best place to buy your iPhones in terms of the warranty, in terms of the service. I haven't run into any places that beat the Apple experience yet. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the worst places. A little context. A couple of years ago, I used to sell phones, and I have bought broken iPhones. iPhones that had water damage, iPhones that were fake, you name it. I've probably seen a ton of different iPhones. But starting off at the worst place that you can buy it is a dark alley. You definitely do not want to buy any type of electronic from someone that you don't know in a dark alley. And that's generally, and I'll give you a quick story. I was walking with a friend, and I don't know if it was in college or in high school, and this guy ran up to us and said, hey, you know, I got an iPhone, do you guys want to buy it? So we ended up buying it. It was $100 at the time, and for us, we thought that was like a steal. And then come to find out that these guys were selling the iPhone boxes already wrapped up with paper and rocks in them. So that was my first big lesson, not to buy anything off the street. So avoid dark alleys at all costs. All right, so the second worst place is through other friends. You don't want to buy from people that you're not sure of and they want to get rid of something. So I would kind of loop them in with the stranger in a dark alley. And I hate to say that, but that's just what it is. And then one of the worst places that you can actually buy iPhones is through retailers, online retailers. The problem with online retailers is that you're buying a product that you haven't seen, touched, or used. So that time, it's invaluable to me. So, you know, you really got to take these with a grain of salt. Those are my experiences with iPhones. And like I said, avoid dark alleys, avoid buying iPhones from friends, avoid buying them through places that don't offer some type of purchase protection guarantee on them. But that's the video, guys. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Definitely would love to hear your comments down below. Definitely tell me your experiences buying an iPhone. What are your tips when you go shopping for iPhones or any type of electronics? Would love to hear your comments down below. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing as we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. But yeah, that's the video, guys. I really appreciate it. And until my next video, peace.